This is an unboxing, but this is not the unboxing that you probably clicked on this video for. We're not unboxing model horses, which is commonly what we do on my channel here. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this package, which is not a model horse, but model horses contributed to it arriving. This is my 100,000 subscriber play button, and we're gonna be unboxing that in today's video. Hey everybody, it's DeeJayBe. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Daryn, this is DeeJayBe Studios, and this is an unboxing. So I'm gonna rip right into it because I need to see it with my own eyes. It's actually been sitting in my house for more than a day. So I need to do this. I don't even really want to say anything. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. This is gonna make me cry, guys. It says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next. When you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Oh, I was not. I'm sorry, I was not expecting to cry. Oh my gosh. So this is through a secondary company, and this was packaged by Rick. So thank you, Rick. So this letter is signed by the YouTube CEO. And I don't know why that triggers me so bad. I think I do remember all of the steps that it took to get here. I never have taken any of this for granted, and I've never considered this to be a thing that I was reaching for even. It's just something I've done. And with that has come the success of it, in whatever way that you would describe success. But to me, this is success. It's hard to figure out exactly the feeling of being alone in your house behind a camera every single week for 8 years, and to have that reach that many people that want to stick around and want to see what you do. I don't know, I'm actually speechless. I don't really have any words for this. Hopefully I spelt my name right on the actual plaque. It has a mirror on it. You know, I don't really celebrate a lot. I'm not a braggy kind of person. So I don't ever want to come across as better than you or better than anyone or superior in this industry, I don't ever feel that way. I'm constantly learning, constantly trying new things. Lately, those awards that I've been like striving for, they actually feel like success now. And this is one of those. I didn't expect it to be this emotional, but it's actually wild. You're not here to see people cry. I always feel like it's weird when people film themselves crying, but genuinely, I was not expecting to cry. It's so cool. I like want to hang it back here so that it is in the backdrop of my videos, but I won't do that. I want to look at this and absorb this and feel this. And I think this is a very like personal and almost lonely journey at times. So just knowing that there's like that many people interested, I don't have words. I really don't have words. So thank you for giving me this little award. It means more than you know, and I hope that I conveyed that, and I will continue to make content for all of you. This is only a celebratory point, and this isn't goodbye. This isn't to strive for more. This is genuinely just a thank you, like a moment in the middle where I can take a breath and know that this has all been worth it. Thank you. Just thank you. Leave a comment below on your favorite video so far, and let me know what you'd like to see more of from DeeJayBe Studios. I'd love to know. Thank you. I will see you guys in the next one.